Everybody, I got a quick tool haul to do. I got some tools from Acme tools. There's some Milwaukee tools, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so box says Acme tools on it: building, remodeling, woodworking, landscaping. acmetools.com. So this is going to be part one video because this is only a portion of my order. The other items are not in stock at Acme Tools. They're having to get those items directly from Milwaukee. So I did open the box just to see what was already in here. I didn't take anything out. So pull that down. I got my invoice. I got an Acme Tools holiday gift guide. I got a introducing the new MB3B and TPXL tool pouches card. And I got an Acme Tools book. I get these normally monthly, or every few months, I think is what it is. So in this package they had all the batteries available, so I got all of these 6.0 batteries. These were all the I bought a bunch of 2 bare tools and 2 kits and something else, and for each tool, a part of those promotions, I got free 6s. I got three free 6s in this. Put them right here next to the camera. I also got a special gift $100 wine voucher at Naked Wines. I'll give this to my wife. Move this huge brown box out the way. So this is what I got. What they had available was I picked up the M12 fuel driven outperformed by Milwaukee 4-in-1 dedicated solution, unrivaled access and control, up to 300 inch-pounds max torque. It is the installation drill and driver kit. It is part number 2505-22. It comes with the installation drill and driver. It comes with a 3/8 chuck, drill chuck, 1/4 inch hex, offset, and right angle. It comes with 2 CP 2.0 batteries, the M12 charger, and a contractor bag. And on here it shows the serial number, and it shows the part number 2505-20. So when I bought this kit, I got one of these 6 amp hours for free. I bought another kit, I got another 6 amp hour for free, and then I bought a bare tool and got a 6 amp hour for free. This one I got specifically for ordering the M12 hacksaw kit, and this one I got for ordering the 5 3/8 circular saw M12 bare tool, and I got this one. They had the batteries available, and they had the 4-in-1 installation drill and driver kit that I purchased. They had it available at Acme Tools. The other items, the other 2 I mentioned for these other 2 free batteries, they have to get them from Milwaukee. And I ordered a couple other tools. I ordered the M12 right angle drill. I ordered a couple of the other M12 lights, because the other lights right here, the Rovers right here, I ordered the smaller lights, and then I also ordered the screwdriver, the fuel screwdriver by itself, that bare tool. Those items they don't have in stock, but I did pick up 3 of these free 6s, plus the video I did earlier that came with the free 6 for the hammer drill and the impact driver. So this is just going to be this is just going to be a quick look at what I got. I will be doing an unboxing for all of this separately in a different video, as well as, let me turn it around and give you guys a little bit of specs. 4 interchangeable solutions for maximum versatility, unrivaled access and control, compact design for the ultimate control. Competitors up to 300 inch-pounds max torque, where the competitor's 265. It wouldn't be surprising to me if this competitor is Bosch. I could be wrong. It could be another brand. One power state brushless motor, 2 red link plus intelligence, 3 red lithium CP is compact 2.0 battery pack, and it 5-year for the tool, 2 years for the batteries. That's the warranty. Again, part number is 2505-22, and this is just to give you guys more information, or give you the information again. I'm sure the tool already has the belt clip installed. Comes with the installation drill and driver, 3/8 chuck, 1/4 inch hex, offset, right angle, 2 compact 2.0 Milwaukee batteries, an M12 charger, and a contractor bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. I will also leave in the description below a link to Acme tools, as well as try to bring up one of these items. If you look down below, if you bring up, like for an example, the installation drill and driver kit, if you bring up this kit, right above the add to cart blue button, there will be a long bar about this big, and it will say, if you choose these items, you'll get such and such for free. So I'll leave that information down below. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.